Welcome to Data Design YouTube channel. Delve into the world of illumination sophistication with the work collected featuring stylish student lamp designs. These lighting solutions go beyond mere functionality, embodying a fusion of practicality and aesthetic allure. Witness the latest trends in student lamp design, where innovative shapes, materials, and finishes redefine the landscape of study spaces. From sleek metallic finishes to elegant minimalist designs, each lamp serves as a statement piece, elevating the ambience of study rooms. Explore the incorporation of smart features like adjustable arms and color temperature settings, enchanting the adaptability of these lamps to diverse study needs. These stylish student lamp ideas prioritize about form and function, providing a balance between modern design sensibilities and the illumination required for focused work. Discover how these lamps contribute not only to effective study sessions but enhance the overall aesthetic appeal to study or workspaces. Whether you are seeking a sleek and contemporary look or more classic and timeless feel, our collection offers a diverse range of stylish student lamp inspiration. Immerse yourself in the world of modern living where each lamp becomes a companion in the pursuit of both style and productivity, turning study space into sophisticated heavens. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.